So we're back with a brand new product. This is the new Amazfit Helio ring. It's a smart ring specifically by the great people that made the T-Rex, as well as a lot of other really cool smart fitness watches. Let's open this up and talk a little bit more about it, and then we will actually download the app and show you how it works. That little pull tab in the bottom, and then it slides out. And the box, ooh, look, that pops up at the actual ring here. If you can see inside, that's where you have all the sensors, little read sensor, light sensor, and the read sensor. This right here specifically is a 12-inch ring. It's got a little braking limits logo there. This is apparently the charge stand. And in here, where we've got the power cord. USB-C to USB-C. This top section here is, I imagine, where we will find our manual. Yep. I got these little hidden compartments. I think it's cool. So it's a very simple hidden little manual talking about the ring, finger, talking about the sensor, where to place it, the line that's here on top should be placed towards the inside of your finger, so like here. And the charger, I guess you want to line up the ring to the ring. So, like this. Charger base has a plug on one side, USB-C there, and then USB-C to the other side that you're plugging it in. So yeah, let's download the app and then showcase that and show you how the ring gives you readings. We'll be right back. Hopefully you guys liked that smart ring. Amazfit makes some amazing products. We're really happy to try this one out. It's incredibly cool and it gives you a lot of features back, which is important, especially when you're working out or just trying to stay healthy on a regular day to day. We'll see you guys next time.